Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are good. I welcome you again to an interesting DIY video where you are going to learn some unique and interesting crafts that will make your day. Let's see what are we going to learn. So here we have made Pikachu. Now let's see how we can make these cute puppets. We have to fold the paper, get it slightly this, then decorate it further, then paste it from the top to get a conical shape in this manner, and then paste the grasses, the bushes around. Isn't it pretty amazing? Keep on proceeding further and let's see what are we going to make. Now you just have to fold the paper from both the sides along the lines and then in this manner. Then let's see what we are going to do. You just have to fold the paper in this way from on both the sides and then get it in this way. Get the folds and creases like this. Again get it folded in this manner. Join them further and then take another sheet of paper and then fold it like this. And then from the top as well get the creases like this triangular shape from the top and then paste it further. Your suitcase is ready. Keep on proceeding and let's see what are we going to make now. Again you have to make the folds in the paper in this manner. Let's fold it in this way. Yes, you just have to get the folds and creases like these. From both the sides you just have to get the folds. Now let's see what are we going to make now. Fold it in this manner, get the ears and all that, decorate it further and it is yet ready to go. Again you have to take the sheet of paper and let's see what are we going to make now. Again you have to fold it in this manner to get it in this way and then you can make a box out of it. Isn't it pretty amazing? Keep on proceeding and let's see what are we going to create now. You have to fold the paper in this manner and let's see what are we going to get now. Yes, you have gotta be super amazing. Looking damn amazing, right? Now again take a sheet of paper and then fold it in this way and then you have to get it along the lines and then fold it like this. Yes, you are going to do it amazing. Proceeding further, just paste it all around and then get it crease over it. You just have to join them further one over the other. You'll be getting a ring structure like this, and yes, fold it further and it is looking super amazing, right? You have created it very well. Now let's see what we are going to do next. Keep on proceeding further and keep on making these. Get the fold, get the conical shape and it is yet ready. Isn't it? Wear it on your fingers. Keep on proceeding and let's say again you have to get the folds like this, then get the creases and folds in this manner, get it along the lines and let's see what are we going to do now. You just have to fold the paper in this way, then from other side as well you just have to give it folds like this, then press it further and then join them in this manner. You can put anything inside, the paper inside, and then you have to fold it in this manner. Your tissue paper box is yet ready. Damn amazing, isn't it? Now what you have to do, you have to take a designer sheet of paper, fold it from the top and fold it from the bottom to get the folds and lines like this. Now keep it aside and let's see from all the sides you just have to give it folds and then wrap it in this manner and it is yet ready. Let's see, again you have to take the designer sheet of paper in this way and then get the folds like this. From back side as well you have to get the folds, then wrap it further from the top and let's see what are we going to do. You have created a beautiful lovely character. Pretty amazing. Now let's see what are we going to do next. You have to take the sheet, the designer sheet like this, that to a glitter one, and then fold it from the top and bottom and then you'll be getting a shape and pattern like this. You have to repeat the same pattern in this manner, then fold the paper, get the creases in this way and you have created a beautiful lovely. Isn't it looking super pretty and amazing? Yeah, damn it is. Now again what you have to do, take a sheet of paper, fold it like this from top and bottom as well and from sidewards as well. Now let's see what are we going to create. You just have to wrap the paper from both the ends and here you have created a box like this. Again take a designer sheet of paper and then fold it in this manner, get the creases and folds like this and again you have to wrap the sheet of paper and get it folds like this. Yeah, super amazing. Keep it here and it is yet ready to go. Thank you.